Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 2nd of May 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.23%, settling the day at 37,903.29 while Nasdaq ended the session at 15,608.48, falling 0.33%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,240.17 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,813.71. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,746, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII bought 1,071.93 crores in the cash market on Tuesday. After witnessing an all-time high numbers in free 2023-24, passenger vehicle sales during April remained flat at 338,341 units. Jindal Stainless announces 5,400 crore rupees strategic investments, capacity expansion to 4.2 MTPA. Vedanta is looking to invest $20 billion in India across all its business over the next 4 years. Now talking about global aspects, US Fed keeps interest rates at benchmark rate at 5.25 to 5.50%, 23-year high amid stubborn inflation. Private businesses in the United States added 192,000 workers to their payrolls in April. The S&P Global US Manufacturing PMI fell to 50 in April from 51.9 in the previous month. The number of job openings declined by 325,000 from the previous month to 8.48 million in March. Crude oil inventories in the US surged by 7.26 million barrels, the sharpest increase since early February. WTI fell 3.6% to settle at $79 a barrel, while Brent fell 3.4% to $83.44 a barrel. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.62%, up. The US dollar is trading at 105.64, up by 0.01. Here is a recap of Tuesday's trading session. Following a notable surge that propelled domestic benchmark indices to reach an all-time high of 22,783, a profit-booking scenario ensued abruptly. This upsurge was notably driven by advances in auto, realty, and NBFC stocks. However, by the end of the trading day, both the Sensex and Nifty experienced minor losses, closing at 74,482.78 and 22,604.85 respectively. Sector-based analysis reveals that the IT, media, metals, and pharma sectors witnessed the most significant declines during the trading session. Outlook for the day: in Nifty, the index has adeptly defended its upward-sloping support trendline. Looking ahead, the next resistance level to monitor is around 22,650, with the possibility of extending to 22,800 if sustained momentum persists. Immediate support rests at 22,450. In Bank Nifty, 49,900 to 50,000 will act as strong resistance for the short term. 49,000 and 48,600 would be the sacrosanct support zone for the positional traders, above which, it could bounce back up to 49,800 to 50,000. Stocks on radar are Power India, REC, JM Financial, Gillette. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.